Cinnamon is more than just a flavorful spice that enhances your favorite dishes, it's a superfood packed with powerful health benefits. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, this aromatic spice has been linked to numerous health benefits. From controlling blood sugar to boosting brain function. But why should you make cinnamon a daily part of your diet? Let's explore the top 6 reasons why you should consider consuming this powerful spice every day. One. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. One of the most well-researched benefits of cinnamon is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which can mimic insulin and improve glucose uptake by cells. Studies have shown that cinnamon can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels, making it an excellent natural aid for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Additionally, cinnamon slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes it an excellent addition to the diet of anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Two. Rich in antioxidants, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which are essential for fighting oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. In fact, cinnamon ranks higher than many other common antioxidant-rich foods, such as garlic and oregano. The polyphenols, flavonoids, and phenolic acid in cinnamon help protect the body from oxidative damage, making it an essential spice for longevity and overall well-being. 3. Reduces inflammation and supports heart health. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can lower the risk of these conditions. Moreover, cinnamon has been shown to reduce levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides while keeping HDL, good, cholesterol stable. This helps keep arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart disease, making cinnamon a heart-friendly spice. 4. Boosts brain function and protects against neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamon is not just good for the body, it's also beneficial for the brain. Studies suggest that cinnamon may help improve memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. It does this by inhibiting the buildup of tau protein, which is associated with Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative conditions. The compounds in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde and epicatechin, also protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. If you want to keep your brain sharp as you age, adding cinnamon to your daily routine is a simple and delicious way to do so. 5. Supports digestion and gut health. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties that promote a healthy gut. It can help fight harmful bacteria and fungi in the digestive system, reducing bloating, gas, and discomfort. Additionally, cinnamon stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. If you often experience digestive issues, adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your meals or tea could improve digestion and keep your gut microbiome in balance. 6. A natural weight loss aid. Cinnamon can also support weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Additionally, cinnamon can suppress appetite and curb sugar cravings, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Since cinnamon also enhances the body's ability to break down carbohydrates. It can aid in weight management when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. A warm cup of cinnamon tea or adding it to your morning oatmeal may help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. How to incorporate cinnamon into your daily diet. Adding cinnamon to your daily routine is easy and delicious. Here are some simple ways to enjoy it. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a flavorful boost. Add it to coffee or tea for a naturally sweet and aromatic twist. Mix it into baked goods, pancakes, or waffles for extra warmth and depth of flavor. Use it in savory dishes like curries, stews, or roasted vegetables. Blend it with honey and lemon for an immune-boosting remedy. To get the most benefits, opt for Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, as it contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Final thoughts. Cinnamon is a powerhouse spice with a wide range of health benefits, from stabilizing blood sugar levels to protecting your heart and brain. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily diet, you can enjoy its delicious flavor while improving your overall well-being. Whether you sprinkle it on your breakfast, stir it into your drinks, or use it in cooking, this super spice can be a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, why not start today? A little cinnamon a day can go a long way in keeping you healthy and feeling your best.